Hey, what's good, guys? This is Brandon. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm about to make one of my favorite side dishes. It's spinach. It's a sauteed spinach. If you want to see how it's done, stick with me. Alright, guys. First thing we're going to do, add that smoked thick cut bacon to the front pan. That's 3 slices sliced up, and we're just going to get a good brown on it, and then we're going to take it out the pan and reserve it for later on in the dish, keeping the grease in the pan because that's what we're going to use to saute that spinach. All right, looking good, looking good, looking good. Just a little while longer. Just want to brown it up completely. I'll tell you what, you put bacon in any dish and people will love it. All right, now we've got the bacon done. We're just gonna take it out of the pan, put it over in a bowl, and we're just gonna save that for later. Man, this bacon smells good. This is one dish, once you get the hang of making it, it's super simple, but it's so delicious. You'll find yourself just eating that by itself and forgetting about the main course. Now we're gonna add this onion. Now I said about a half of an onion, small onion combined. So it's about a quarter red onion and a quarter of Vidalia onion is what we have in the pan. And we just want to saute that a little bit, just to soften it up a little. We're not trying to make it translucent or caramelize them, just to soften them up a little. Now we're going to add a heaping tablespoon of garlic. It's more roughly around a tablespoon and a half of garlic. Bacon, garlic, and onion, we have your whole house smelling good. All right, now we're gonna add the spinach. It's about 1.5 pounds of spinach. But if you know anything about spinach, that may seem like a lot when you add it to the pan. But just a few minutes later, you'll see it's not as much as you thought. It cooks down substantially. Just pile it on in there. Don't worry about it, it'll cook down. Just a little bit more to go. This is a spinach dish that'll make Papa proud. I'm telling you, boy, it's good. Now we're just gonna add a lid to the pan. This is the only time we're gonna put a lid on this dish, and that's only to help cook the spinach down some, which you'll see now. Now it's been cooked down, And that's all that spinach we put into that pan is reduced to this. But that's okay. Now, if you have someone that's just eating this as their lone side, you may get 2 to 3 servings. But if you're trying to pair this with another side and their main course, you can probably get 4 to 5 servings out of this amount. I'm gonna add a little salt, a little pepper, a little crushed red pepper. Just season it to your taste, because you can taste it while it's cooking. But be careful not to over salt it, because with the bacon and everything, it already has some salt in it. All right, let's give it another little saute around the pan and let's let it go. Looking good. All right, guys, it's just about ready. We're just gonna add a little shot of this sesame seed oil just to give it a little bit more of a nutty flavor, a little bit more depth of flavor. Just a drizzle, that's all it takes. You do not, I repeat, do not want to overdo it with the sesame seed oil. It'll ruin your dish. Just a few more seconds of sauteing and we'll be ready to plate up. I'm getting excited already. All right, time to plate up. Hey, I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, like, comment, subscribe. I appreciate you guys. God bless you. Until the next time. Love y'all.